Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to extend ourselves a little bit from where we left off one of the last times with modulo or remainder calculations. So we're going to build a function that finds out if a number is even. And we're going to build upon this because the next one we're going to do after this is we're going to find out how to find a prime number. So let's start small and let's start with an even number. So just a quick reminder. Alright, the way we find out if something has a remainder is we use the modulo sign. 2 divided by 1 is 0 because 1 goes in evenly. Whenever you have a remainder of 0, so alright, let's just do this. 5 divided by modulo 2. So alright, 2 goes in 2 times, which is 4, and then we have a remainder of 1. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Alright, so 20, what is it, 3? So alright, so 3 times 6, 18, and then 20 minus 18, you get a remainder of 2. So alright, how would we define an even number? An even number is evenly, its divisor is 2. So 20 modulo 2, 0, 10 modulo 2, 0. So alright, that's pretty simple. So alright, now we have to use our if statements. So if x, let's get started. If x modulo 2 is equal to, so how do we do this? If it is divisible by 2 with 0 remainder, 2 print is even. Now, there's only 2 options. Either it is even or it isn't. So we don't have to get fancy and use any else. We're just going to use else. Print is, ew, look at me not doing what I'm supposed to, because that's a double check. If it's not green, you forgot your quotations. If you guys haven't figured that out yet. Alright, so let's run this. So right now 19 is not even. So let's say 16, run it, is even. Alright, lo and behold, we can count by 2s. So, alright, now we need to wrap this in a function, because right now this is just taking, we're just making up the variable. So now this is, we need to create the definition or a function. Alright, we're going to get real creative on the name for this. So we take in our x. Now, alright, this is a way that if you want to do something without having the function, or this is called, because right here we're doing our condition statements. This is called wrapping it in a function. Just another term that, so alright, then we're going to come up here, indent region, move everything over, and let's just test and make sure that everything looks good. So alright, is even, let me get the cursor out of the way so you guys can see it. 45 is not. Now, I think I've done this before. Here we are typing this longhand. Let's say we want to check a bunch of them to just check and make sure is even. 45. Let's just copy this. Let's just make sure that we haven't messed anything up. 34, 12, 32, 13, 11, and 10. So, alright, let's just run this. is even, is even, is even. Now, when we get fancy here in a little bit, we can begin to take in the information. Because right now, if you're sitting here, then you have to go back up here and correspond. But right now, you have to sit here and go 34, 12. But next time, maybe we'll put all this together. But I know the time after this, we're going to maybe do prime numbers and really get sophisticated, and then have it spit out the information before and then go through. So hope you guys are getting something out of this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you next time. Thanks.